This is directions on how to complete your comparing and ordering rational numbers error analysis. So this is what the worksheet looks like. It's front and back one page. So I'll show you kind of how the first one works. So the directions say, identify the error in each problem below, explain the mistake that was made, then determine the correct answer. So you can see here that number 1 and number 2 are the same question, and that's kind of how it works. 1 and 2 will be the same question, 3 and 4 will be the same question, 5 and 6 will be the same question, so on and so forth. But what question they ask you in the box is different, right? So for the first one, the problem says, find the correct location on the number line for negative 3.5. Okay, this right here in the red is what somebody else said the answer was. Someone else said that the correct location is at letter B, because that's the halfway point. Okay, so what I need to do in this first box is write what they did wrong. And I know that that's not negative 3.5. That's only negative 2.5. Right? If they wanted to do negative 3.5, they should have moved farther down the number line. So what did they do wrong? They picked the answer choice that was at negative 2.5 instead of negative 3.5. Okay, then on number 2, it's the same problem, remember, but this time it wants to know what is the correct answer. Okay, so I'm going to look at my number line. I know this one's negative 2.5. This one is negative 1.5. This is negative 0.5, and this one is negative 3.5. So that means the correct answer would be A. So I'm going to say the correct answer is A because A. It's halfway between negative 3 and negative 4. Okay, so for each one, for the first problem, you'll tell us what they did wrong, and the second one, you'll tell us what the correct answer is. Okay, remember, if you have any questions, try to ask the people in your group before asking your teacher.